What's good with y'all, man? I done dropped some game on y'all. I'm about to drop some game on y'all. Y'all just gotta tune in to what I'm about to say. So look, I'm here to bring y'all 5 common mistakes that producers be making, and I can't ignore it. You can't ignore it. If you wanna be a better producer, you know. Looking at my phone, man, I got my notes, gotta pull them up for y'all. Look, the top 5 common mistakes that y'all be making, man. We be making. You gotta organize your project. You gotta have everything in order. Because if it's not in order, man, how you gonna add something else? How you gonna know what to take out? You gotta be organized. Yeah, your sounds is muted, you know, gotta have everything looking professional, man. That's the first one. The second one is you're overloading the mix with too many sounds. Sometimes you gotta have the beat playing so the rapper can even say something. Sometimes it's some beats that I done made, and I'm like, dang, I can't even find even the words, even the flow to even, you know, fit around the beat. It'd be so cramped up with the sounds and space and all that. You gotta, you know, wrap around the beat. You gotta hop around, you know, try to find your flow. You just gotta find whatever. But when it gets to that point, you know it's hard, man. When stuff is just not flowing, and you gotta find out when to, you know, say whatever, when to, you know, jump on the beat, you know, jump around. It just, you know, it just be too much. When you gotta overthink, overly prepare, you know, sometimes it's not worth it. Sometimes it's overusing effects. I used to overuse gross beat. I used to overuse the tape stop. I used to overuse taking all the highs out of the beat. I used to overuse having the beat drop too many times in songs. That's one of my things, you know. Number 4, skipping proper arrangement. Y'all gotta arrange y'all songs in an order. Even when it comes to a movie, you gotta have the plot, you gotta have the, you know, the action moment, you know, you gotta have the calm moment, you gotta have the moment when everything come together, you gotta have the one where it's like, you know, chaotic, the fight, you know, you gotta have the rescue, you gotta know when to do everything, man. You can't just have your beat all over the place. It's hype and then it goes down, then it get quiet, then it, you know, just stay down. Sometimes some beats, some songs meant to just be hyped the whole time. Sometimes they meant to be calm the whole time, but you gotta find the balance and the arrangement that you're trying to go for. Number 5, too much bass. I used to do this too. It'd be too much bass in my music, man. Sometimes you can't even hear the melody. You just gotta know. Sometimes too much bass is cool. Sometimes not enough bass is cool. Sometimes you gotta take out the sub. Keep the bass in there, you know? Gotta lower a little bit. It be some beats like that. You just gotta feel what you gotta do, man. You gotta know what you gotta do, man. But hey, that's the end of the video, man. I'm gone. Drop some in the comment section if y'all here with me. If y'all here with me, drop some in the comment section. Let me know you here with me, man. Cause we going hard for y'all. I'm going hard with y'all. We all going hard together, man. And if y'all make music, let me know, cause I'm a sub to y'all. I need to know. I'll be supporting who support me, man. I just gotta know who support me, man. And I'm trying to help somebody out. This knowledge is not only meant for me. Like, certain people get the knowledge and they be like, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna keep this knowledge. But certain people spend like 30 years trying to get this knowledge. Certain people didn't even, like, trying to die to get this knowledge, man. Die without even getting this knowledge, man. So I'm like, damn, might as well save y'all a whole bunch of time, man. Y'all gonna do all this research and this and that, or trial and error and stuff. I already did the trial and error, so I'm bringing the knowledge to y'all. I'm helping y'all out, man. I'm trying to, at least. If I said something wrong, let me know in the comment section, man. Get on my head, man. Get on my head, man. I need to know what I don't be doing right, man. So yeah, keep me in check, man. Let me know that y'all here with me. Let me know that y'all here for me, man. I'm here for y'all as well, man. I'm gone. Peace.